So these are the unmatched benefits we're talking about here. So what we've done here, we've enhanced the quality of the socks by taking into consideration what is the shrink factor. Because many customers, what they do is they take our socks and they will throw them into the wash at 40, 50, 60 degrees, toss them into the tumble dryer, and they'll simply make those socks shrink by 25 to 30%. So we take that into consideration so that after that rigorous washing and tumble drying, those socks will be genuinely the same pair of socks we initially manufactured prior to the shipment. So that's very important to take into consideration. Then with regards to the additional softener, simply it has a more luxurious feel. And we also have, for the first time, we are introducing Polygiene StaysFresh into the socks. Now, I did a bit of an experiment. It was about a year ago that I wore socks infused with Polygiene for a period of 10 days. Not at one time did I have smelly feet. However, it's something that's best kept secret because, you know, even if it does have Polygiene, people would say, I still do want to wash my socks after, let's say, at least 3 days, right? Anyway. And not forgetting, for each and every order we do, we offer 10 planted trees. So this is something that kicked in, 2 months ago with Greenspark. So we decided for each and every order, no matter what the value is, it's 10 trees planted. We also, what happens in the order processing system, once the order goes through, you get a communication via Greenspark to show the amount of trees that you're accumulating when you place orders with Kingly.